Hey guys, this is Luke from E&L Fishing. Fishing out here by myself for a little bit on the pond. This is the video from where Eric made his rig with a paper clip. It was cold then, it's nice now. I've been catching a lot of small crappie. This is the biggest one so far today. I'm going to throw them back and show you what I'm using. Okay, Berkley makes these things. They're called Beetle critters. They're very good. Last night I went fishing with them at a different pond. I caught two 12-inch crappies, 20 to 25 bluegill, and one about 3-incher crappie, and decent bass, 15 or 16 inches. They sell them at Walmart. That's where I got mine. They come in packs of 10, I'm pretty sure. I have the orange, the orange-ish, and I have a yellow jig head. It's working good for me right now. They're really cheap. You'll catch a lot of fish with them. I recommend them a lot. Eric uses them. He likes them pretty good. He has the green kind. He hasn't used them yet, but he's used my orange and he's really liked them. Here we go. Maybe I'll try one cast with you guys. If I catch anything, I'll show you. Oops, bad cast. Well, I'm going to set this down so I can get a decent cast. I'll get back to you. There we go. Wow, now they're not biting. You guys are jinxing me. Eric's on a week trip with a family, fishing up at just had a hit, at a cabin on a trout resort. He loves that place. He's lucky he gets to go. I saw that crappie. Small ones, they're nothing big today. Just 3 inches plus that bigger one I caught. Last cast, otherwise I'm leaving you guys. Last cast, here we go. Oh, got one. Here we go. This is what we've been catching all day. These little puny guys. It's fun, I guess. Well, here's Luke signing out. Good luck. I recommend buying them. Get more reviews later.